How's everybody doing today? Pretty nervous, huh? Anyway, so what I'm going to talk about is kind of an experience that's kind of changed my life, and today it's still changing my life. But I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys could relate to. How many of you guys here work? Yeah, that's a lot. Working is actually something that changes our life drastically. It's changed my life. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is how it's changing and how it's still changing today. So I got my first job when I was about 17. I worked at Paxson, which I really hated. I never realized how hard work retail was going to actually be. I thought it was all about smiling, saying hi to the people when they come in, and can I help you find the pant? You know, I thought it was just going to be all easy stuff like that, but it turned out it was more than that. It was staying till 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock sometimes, holding up all these pants and shirts that people mess up and people don't want, you to help them with because they think they can find it and they can't find it, but whatever. But it really taught me the value of money. So that meant no more spending my money on stupid things I used to spend in high school, like every other weekend buying a pair of shoes, or even back then in middle school it was Pokemon cards or something. It meant I had to spend my own money. I had to get this thing called savings. No more asking my mom for lunch money or food. Even now, I asked her for a spicy chicken. She's just like, "You have money, go get it." I'm like, "Mom, it's just 99 cents. Can you get my spicy chicken?" I'm just too lazy. But it really teaches you to value and appreciate the money and spend it. It taught me to spend it on important things like my books for school now. My insurance, important stuff like gas on my car, something like that. But it's still, it taught me those things, and today it's still teaching me, just how important it is to really take on your education. Right now I'm an assistant manager for Levi's, and it's retail. I'm no longer the one that's folding the clothes. I'm telling the people to fold the clothes, but it's still not the ideal job, and it really, has taught me that how important education is, that you need to really pursue, education to really do what you want to do, because we have that luxury of choosing what our major is, and we get to get paid for that, and it's important to kind of value that, and it's taught me to every time I'm taking a class or a course in Fullerton, to take it seriously and to go and study and do hard, because I don't want to be stuck at retail. I don't want to be stuck working so hard all my life. So that's my experience, and that's it.